WordPress is a tool that helps you build websites. It is very popular and easy to use. XAMPP is a tool that helps you run WordPress on your computer. This way you can build a website without needing a live website online. XAMPP is free to download. You can use it to test your website before showing it to the world. Think of it like a practice space for your website. In this guide, we will learn how to use XAMPP and WordPress together. By the end, you will have WordPress installed on your computer. You will be ready to build your first website. First, you need to download XAMPP. Go to the Apache Friends website. Look for the download button for your computer. Download the file and run it. You can install XAMPP like any other program. Once XAMPP is installed, open the XAMPP control panel. You will see buttons to start and stop different services. Click the Start button for Apache and MySQL. These services are essential for running WordPress. Now, open your web browser. Type localhost in the address bar and press Enter. If everything is working, you will see the XAMPP welcome page. This means XAMPP is successfully installed. Next, you will download WordPress. Go to the WordPress.org website and click the Get WordPress button. Download the latest version of WordPress to your computer. It will be a zip file. Find the downloaded WordPress zip file. Extract the files to a new folder. This folder should be inside the htdocs folder within your XAMPP installation directory. You can rename the extracted WordPress folder if you want. Now, you need to create a database for WordPress. Open your web browser and go to localhost phpMyAdmin. Click on Databases and create a new database with a memorable name. Go back to your web browser. Type localhost / followed by the name of your WordPress folder. You should see the WordPress installation setup. Follow the on-screen instructions. You will need to provide the database name you created earlier. WordPress will ask you for a site title, username, and password. Remember these details. They are important for logging into your website. Once the installation is complete, you can log into your WordPress dashboard by going to localhost / followed by your WordPress folder name and /wp-admin. You did it. You successfully installed WordPress using XAMPP. You are now ready to start building your website. If you encounter issues, double-check that Apache and MySQL are running in the XAMPP control panel. Make sure you correctly entered your database information during the WordPress installation. Remember, you can always refer back to this guide if you need help. Happy website building!